friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a detailed FAQ on the OnePlus Nord CE. So OnePlus Nord CE is the latest smartphone announced by OnePlus in India, and this is one of the cheapest OnePlus devices right now available in India. So we have done the detailed videos like gaming video, the camera review, and then we also done the charging test. So this video is more or less a detailed FAQ covering all the aspects. This is our 20-point FAQ we generally do on all the devices. So let's get started. Before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So first let's have a look at the build quality. Now the build quality of this device is something which many have asked us. This is a polycarbonate material, so this is not a glass finish unlike the OnePlus Nord. So the CE comes with a polycarbonate material and a plastic chassis. Now good thing about this polycarbonate material is that it is a matte finish, so actually the finishing looks really good, so it doesn't attract any fingerprint smudges. So that's one of the good things OnePlus has done. But at this price segment we would have definitely liked a glass finish or a slightly more premium device like the OnePlus Nord, but nevertheless this is a decent build quality. Now design is something which we didn't like actually. It's kind of traditional design, same as the OnePlus Nord, so that's subjective again. We are not going into that now. So next let's talk about the display. So display is something which is really good on this device. We have been using this device for like last 1 week and we are really impressed about the display quality. It's one of the really good displays out there. It's an AMOLED panel, 90Hz refresh rate. Although you don't get a 120Hz panel, you do get a really bright and vivid display. You can see that there are different modes available. You can see that advanced, you can see here screen refresh rate. Then you can see that screen calibration is there, vivid, natural and advanced. You can do calibration, so it's a very good display. Then you get the dark mode and other options. So display is one of the really good aspects about this device and easily one of the best displays we have seen in this price segment. Now the display does not have any Gorilla Glass support. Instead it's a Dragon Trail glass. That's a display protection offered. Now talking about the SIM cards, you get dual SIM card support here. There is no SD card support, and there is two storage offered, 128GB storage and 256GB storage. RAM we have been offered in 3 RAM variants. One is the 6GB RAM, 8GB RAM and one or the 12GB RAM. Now the RAM is LPDDR4X and the storage is UFS 2.1. There is no UFS 2.2 support on this. That's something which is quite disappointing actually, but nevertheless that's the one provided on the OnePlus Nord CE. Now next let's talk about the software. So this device comes with Oxygen OS. So we have seen Oxygen OS 11 on a lot of devices from OnePlus launched this year. Now this is the Oxygen OS 11.0.3 and it comes with Android 11. Now it is a very smooth UI, extremely good performance, and you get all the basic customization options like accent color, wallpapers, horizon light, fingerprint animation. Lot of things are there, so it's a very well rich UI and a lot of features being offered and extremely smooth in terms of performance. Now talking about the device performance, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor, which is a pretty good mid-range chipset, and it does the job pretty well. In terms of day-to-day experience, it's very smooth, lag-free experience, and the overall software and hardware integration is pretty well done. Now in terms of gaming, we have done a detailed gaming test of this device, so found this device to be quite capable one, although may not be the best in this price segment. We have the Poco X3 Pro with the Qualcomm 860 chip, but it does provide good experience and there is absolutely no heating issues, and the battery drain was slightly on the high side. You can also check out that gaming video we have done on this channel. Now this device does not come with any LED notification that we have tested. No LED notifications are included on this device. Now USB OTG is supported and you can connect your computer peripherals and other pen drives to this device using the OTG cable. Now next let's talk about the sensors on this device. So we have installed the sensors app. So there you go, you can see here accelerometer, magnetic sensor, gyroscope, proximity. All the basic sensors are included on this device. You can see here light sensor, everything is there. So it doesn't miss out on any basic sensors. So all the basic sensors are included here. Now moving on, camera to API, you can see here you can install GCam. This is something which all the Qualcomm devices support. So you can see level 3 support is included. Now a Widevine L1 support, you can see that DRM security level is L1. So Widevine L1 is supported on this device. Now talking about the battery, this device comes with a 4500 mAh capacity battery with 30 watt charger, 30T warp charging, and it takes around 1 hour 5 minutes to charge from 0 to 100% and 0 to 70% or rather 65% can be completed in 30 minutes of charging. Now battery life, this is one area where the OnePlus Nord CE excels. It's a really good performance in terms of battery. You can get like more than 1.5 days of battery life. Now the screen on time is again really good. Actually it depends upon person to person, so in our testing compared to other devices we found that the battery performance is really good on this device. So that's the battery performance. Now camera, we have a triple camera setup, 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and then you get a 2 megapixel mono sensor. Now this 64 megapixel sensor is a OmniVision sensor, and front selfie camera is a Sony IMX sensor. Now camera performance is quite good in daylight conditions. We have again done a detailed camera review. You can check out that video to get an idea about how the camera performance is. It's fairly good in terms of daylight conditions, but then in low light and some areas it needs improvement. So it's not a perfect camera out there, but it's a decent performing camera in terms of competition. Now this device comes with 4G LTE, voice over Wi-Fi and carrier aggregation, and 5G support is also there. 5G only one band is supported in India, and this device has in-display fingerprint scanner. We'll just demo that. So you can see here the in-display fingerprint scanner works really well, and it actually you can see here it unlocks in pretty good time. Again we'll just show you. Now face unlock, we'll just show you the face unlock performance as well. So you can see here it's extremely fast, and it takes unlocking pretty fast. Now next there are colors, 3 colors are available. One is the blue variant, then there is a black color and a silver color as well. So there are 3 colors available, and colors depend upon the RAM or variants you use. Choose the black color is available across all the variants, but other colors are limited to certain variants allowed. Now pricing starts at 22,999 for the 6GB RAM, 24,999 for the 8GB RAM, and 27,999 for the 12GB RAM. Now availability, it is available on Amazon.in. And we'll also show you the sound output. It comes with mono speakers, speaker is the bottom. So we'll just So as you can see, it can get pretty loud, but the output isn't that great because there should have been a stereo speaker on this, dual speakers should have been provided, but the output is definitely loud enough, but the quality of the output isn't that impressive. So that is the detailed FAQ on the OnePlus Nord. So hope we have covered all the aspects. If you still have any doubts, you can just drop a comment and we'll be glad to help you out with your questions or queries on the OnePlus Nord CE. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.